registered at what times?
1:45 p.m.
1:45?
p.m.
No, that's not true.
That 1:45 p.m.
How do we reconcile the two records?
Mothers, I'll show that to you, Lord.
Because we today have a report
Mothers, but that I'm saying, Mother.
which indicates that this is the time. So therefore, it's very surprising.
Postmortem precedes registration of UD.
No, Mother, this is what I'm told, Mothers, and I can only
Is
respond.
someone responsible there to assist?
Yes, certainly, Mothers.
If any officer is present, you may
Yes.
speak to him and tell us.
Because if this is the fact, then it is something very dangerous.
I agree. Let me just, Mother, the officer is here.
Please.
I may beg my lords to point out one thing.
One-
The
one-
Just a minute.
report-
Just a minute,
Just a
first
minute.
let him assert it.
Unnatural death entry and search.
Tell him to make a responsible statement. You should not make a rash
Of
statement.
course not, Mother. No
Tell
question.
him.
No question about it. Mothers, kindly see page 4 of the diary.
I thought this is.
What time is this?
Can I have a timeline, please?
Hold on. I've
No,
not
no,
even handed it to the.
You have not given. I have been requesting since.
I don't know why you are interfering, sir. I have not even given it to the court.
Just a minute, just a
You
minute.
have.
Allow me to answer the court, please.
There are 3, 4 questions.
Yes,
If
Mother,
you
we'll
would like-
answer each one, Mother. And we can't, Mother, we have to make sure that what we say is right, Mother. So what time is this? Hmm. Yes. Mother, yes, kindly see, Mother, now kindly see page 4 of what? Of the case diary. It will give some indication as to what happened. Mother.
God.
Yes, it says, Mother, that
UD case number 861 of 24 was registered at what hours?
1:45.
From where do you get this?
It mentions, Mother.
From where do you get that?
I was just trying to show. Make sure that. Date they or not?
That's common, that's common.
Don't you? Be careful in giving the statement.
It's all right, as long as we get the correct answer,
Correct.
no problem.
Our reports are based on the case diary they have given to us.
Just a minute, Mr. Solicitor General. They are expected to reply to our question. Why it takes so much of time? Just show the time on the document, that's all. All that you need to do is refer to that document and tell us at what time UD, again I am repeating, 861 of 24 was registered.
Yes.
Has to be in the case diary.
Should they show it? The duty case document is here. We can't possibly, my lord is asking.
Hard copy आपके पास पे है ना? Hard copy में you'll don't do it.
Just something,
Yes,
when we take up this matter on the next date,
yes,
keep a responsible police officer
yes,
present here
yes, absolutely.
who had done or who had carried out all this
Yes,
exercise.
no, we'll do that.
He should be able to tell us.
Yes.
Till this point of time, we have not got the answer, what time it was registered.
No, my lord is right.
But what time is this?
No, the question is time.
Mr. Sibal,
Malas, kindly see, quite frankly, Malas, I'll have to construct this for your lordship. Malas. For example, I mean, page 2 of the case diary, the UD case, requisition of the magistrate for inquiry. Just Malas, kindly see, requisition
Sharma,
for inquest.
can you tell us at what time the inquest Panchnama was drawn?
Yes, we'll just tell you that. That also we have in a timeline. 20 to 40 p.m.
4:20,
to
4:40 p.m. And now the record reveals the report which we have in our hand that UD was registered after the inquest Panchnama, after the postmortem.
That was made before the magistrate to carry out the inquest
mentions the UD.
But that's page number 2 of the case diary.
That's what we are trying to point out.
Now, Mr. Solicitor General,
Yes,
has the CBI collected the record which is available to them?
yes,
They have collected?
we have collected.
Is any officer present today?
Yes,
Who is it?
the Joint Director, CBI, my lord.
Ma'am, you have understood our question. Come to page 12 of your report which has been tendered today. Read para 10 in your mind, Page 12. Tell us, is this record correct? Is this correct?
Yes, sir. It's
Correct.
based on the documents given to us by the Kolkata.
Why are they showing us some different time? Which is the document they are referring to?
Sir,
Case diary, I have it with me.
case diary. Sir, this is based on the GD entries and the documents given to us by the
Correct.
Kolkata police.
But look at the time which you have stated.
It's there, sir, in the GD entries, sir.
Can you
And
show us?
copy of it.
Can you show us?
Yes, sir.
I'll,
Xerox copies, yes.
I just put out mark and put out passing.
They are mentioning the GD of what happened in the entire day, Malas. If your lordship said, look at page 2, Malas. Page 2, it says the application made to the magistrate with the GD and where the UD entry is already mentioned.
You may be right, Mr. Sibal. This is something which even the Criminal Procedure Code doesn't prescribe.
Yes, exactly.
The entire procedure
Yes.
which has been
Your
followed by your police,
Yes.
police of the state, it is something which at least I have not come across
Yes.
in 30 years of my.
I know. Right. I appreciate it. But Malas, the facts must be before your lordship's mind. That's the important thing. The real
The
facts.
first thing we want to confirm is
Yes.
it true that the UD case was registered at 23:30 hours and that the postmortem and everything preceded the registration of the UD?
No, Malas.
We'll have to answer.
Yes, please, Malas.
Second question to
Yeah.
you,
But
Mr.
that's
Sibal.
the second question.
Who is this assistant superintendent non-medical? Who is this person?
Superintendent.
Is this assistant superintendent a male or a female?
I believe it's a female, but I just make sure. Female.
Her conduct is also very, very doubtful. Why did she act in this manner?
I can't possibly. Malas, that's number 2.
It's all right. It's all right.
Oh, kindly pardon me, this is the one copy my lord we have. I have marked on the side, flapping is on the right hand side, my lord. First page,
Well, I've got the entire sequence here. DD entry 542 is at 10:10 a.m.
Malas, I have the, if your lordship don't mind, Malas, I mean,
No, I've got your documents. I'm looking at it from your documents.
yes,
DD entry, it says 542, 10:10 a.m.
yes,
Says received information over the telephone
yes,
from Ajikor MCH Police Outpost that a lady of PG trainee of so-and-so MCH was found lying in unconscious state at seminar room of chest medicine department of third floor of emergency building in half-naked condition, accordingly informed so-and-so officer in charge and under his order,
Yes,
leaving PS with lady police and force for causing inquiry. This is at 10:10 a.m.
correct, correct.
Just allow me to intervene.
Now, one second.
The doctors are saying unconscious, though she was already dead.
1 second.
You
Now,
don't, you
this
don't
is-
need to
this
be a
is
doctor
1
to
second.
understand.
This is 542.
Yes,
Now, next is 576. Now,
Yes,
576 is extremely important. The PM examination over, the dead body of the deceased, the board verbally opined that the death of the deceased was due to the effect of manual strangulation associated with smothering, ante-mortem, and homicidal in nature.
correct.
Also verbally opined that medical evidence of forceful penetration stroke insertion in her genitalia, possibility of sexual assault, they say possibility. Accordingly, PO has been cordoned under proper guard. Also, several witnesses were examined and the statement was recorded, consulted CCTV footages in and around the vicinity of the PO.
Yes,
One thing therefore which is very clear is that the cordoning off and the preservation of the crime scene takes place after the post-mortem report is conducted. This is what the GD entry itself says. So first, the PM takes place between 6 and 7 in the evening, after which they start cordoning off the crime scene. Now just go forward. Experts of SFL, WB, have visited the spot under their direction and able guidance. Incriminating articles and documents were received under videography in proper seizure list after observing all legal formalities by seizure list dated 9th August. Dog squad also arrived on the spot. On the basis of the prayer of investigating agency, learned judicial magistrate conducted inquest over the dead body of the deceased under videography after observing all legal formalities. Accordingly, PM examination was conducted by the Board of Autopsy Surgeons consisting of 3 members under videography over the dead body of the deceased and declared her dead body on 9th August at about 12:44 hours. Meanwhile, so-and-so homicide, officers of homicide section, women grievance cell, scientific wing, so-and-so photography, it was learned that the door of the seminar room was in open condition. That 576. On perusal, 1 blue-colored jeans, etc., found in incriminating articles were found on the mattress, beneath the mattress on the dais. Accordingly, some people were examined. I will not read out her name, which appears immediately thereafter. Accordingly, on duty RMO of so-and-so examined. Found that one lady was lying on her back on a mattress kept on the wooden dais inside the said seminar room in unconscious or motionless condition. She was examined in presence of lady police personnel and found some injuries on her private parts and other parts of her body. Also found that she wore whatever. After return to PS under order of OC and UD case has been registered. Vide Tala UD case number 9th August.
So this is now it is
Now it's very
confirmed
clear.
that it was
No.
23:30 August.
Page number 2, just see page number
No, but
2.
this is the case diary.
No,
It shows that the UD case is registered
No, that's.
after he returns to the police station.
I don't want to contradict, kindly see page 2
Okay,
of the case diary.
these are their documents.
Yes, ma'am. Has given to us.
We'll part with you for 2
And
minutes.
after return to the police station, the seized articles were kept in Malkhana White MK number 52 of.
Before that, your lordship may see the last page of this.
What my lord,
Last but one.
may I pleading with your lordship, look at. page-
Second last, my lord. After return to PS under order of
Okay, that we have seen.
UD case has been registered. My lord, that is at 2030.
Make us understand this. The circle portion. What is this?
When he comes back, he records the entire incident and then repeats that. But
Oh, Mr. Sibal, oh, sorry, we can't accept this explanation.
page 2 in the diary itself, kindly have a look at page 2 if you don't mind, please.
So what is this? He has recorded minutes? the entire day's proceedings?
He has to, Madam, he has.
Why has he mentioned this 23, 32 hours, 33, 30
Because
hours?
he's come back at that time, Madam. At the police station at that time, Madam. He therefore recorded it. Madam, there's a lot of.
Okay. Now show us one document
Yes, I'm showing. Madam.
prior to 23, 30 hours,
Correct.
wherein we find this UD case number so and so.
Page 2, page 2.
Give it back to us, please.
I'm sorry, Madam. Page 2, Madam.
Of this
Police
compilation,
diary, yes,
page 2.
yes. That's the second last page, Madam, and there it is mentioned. Second last
Second last page of the case diary.
of the case diary. Page
It's
number
UD, not GD.
Case diary illustration.
Case diary, page 2.
Case diary.
We have it in hard copy.
Yes, wait, give it to your lordship.
Let us see.
Let us give it to mine, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the magistrate would happen in the afternoon, which
That
happened
is
in the
after,
afternoon.
much after.
And you will see the diary number, Madam, 861 of 24. 861 of 24.
Even the order of the magistrate.
Even the order of the magistrate thereafter, Madam, says that.
Plus page 4.
Let them investigate. This has been inserted later in point of.
No, page 4.
Yes, prima facie, prima
four,
facie
madam.
it appears.
Before, Madam,
Prima
before,
facie it appears.
page 4, not
Let
inserted.
them look into it. Let them look.
Ask for the report from the ACGM.
Just give it back to us. I'll share it with my lord.
My request is
And my
ask for the
brother.
report.
Yes,
from
my lord, and the
ACGM, Madam.
copy may be given to us, my lord. I do not know whether this copy we have or not.
The case diary.
That's okay, but
No,
give
no,
it,
no.
give one more copy. What objection can you have?
Report of the ACGM can come, Madam. Before the ACGM, the application was made. No.
Lord, this page may be given to us. They may have given, let another copy be
May
given.
I request your lordship, look at page 4 and ask for the report of the ACGM report.
No, I do not know what is shown. I must say.
Malad, kindly see page, Malad, I'm sorry, Malad, I give. No, Malad, it
No,
can't
the
be-
copy of
Ex-
print of this page may be given, my lord.
Just a minute.
That's the request.
Let's give it back to me, please. Only you have a look at it.
We just look at it. Yeah, I understand. Yes, I know. Now, Malad, your lordship suspicion is right. Now we read page 8.
From where? In this?
Yes, here. That's the inquest report. Give it back. This is the judicial magistrate, Malad, who carry out the inquest, and see Malad, UD case 861. Postmortem also mentioned it. So, Malad, these can't be inserted. And this is signed by the magistrate.
Here's this number.
They will have to look into it.
Let them, Malad. I'm not, I also magistrate's Malad's order itself reflects.
They'll have to look into it.
My lord,
Yes,
I
let
would,
push
my
on
lord,
that.
again request my learned friend to give me a copy of this. Even if it is given, let it be given afresh.
Give a copy after I have a soft copy. Give me soft
We'll
Uh,
give you
please
copy.
have a
We have
printout
soft
and give it.
copy. So, Malad, magistrate's order, Malad, kindly see the magistrate's order. That's, Malad, also part of the
CD.
CD. I just give it to your lordship. Just give it to my lord. No, but I think.
The magistrate's order is not part of the case diary.
1 second, it will not, but I'm just saying.
Yes.
It's not so. Kindly have a look, Malad. The magistrate's order itself. My lord, Justice Pariwala, please, Malad, I'm sorry. This is the magistrate's order. And it mentions the case number.
Documents are not with the
It's
city.
not given to us.
They
It's
are.
not a part of case diary. That's the simple answer.
Malad, they are, and they are not producing them. They are. And I'm sorry to say, Malad,
Just a second.
because an impression is being created, Malad, that's
But we don't
contrary
have
to
it.
the record.
Ma'am,
He has a.
come to page 8 of your report. Roman 14, I'm sorry, Roman 17. Last 3 lines. Is this still pending?
Roman 17, top.
Yes. Last 3 lines. Is this still pending? Or the High Court has passed the necessary order and you have completed it?
Sir, it's still pending. The police
Still pending.
is to be conducted. Yes, sir.
He has the court passed.
What time?
Taking permission of the court, my lord, because that needs permission.
Just check.
Yeah.
We are awaiting the permission of the court, my lord, because that needs permission.
And you should pursue it at the earliest.
We are doing.
Something else we wish to point out, Malad, we're just checking something which will demonstrate, Malad. Yeah. I bring something else to your lordship's attention. Your lordships will allow me, my lords. May I just bring something else to your lordship's attention? That the seizure list at page 25 also has UD case 861. Postmortem has, seizure list has,
861.
page 25,
Case diary.
25 case diary. Inquest has everything, all documents have that.
Inquest, postmortem, seizure list.
Page 25 seizure list.
Case diary. PDF 157 of the case diary.
Yeah. This is at 8:30, your lordship notices, all is before 11. So how can anybody, my lords, even contend? Yeah.
Inquest is at,
I'll substantiate that.
inquest is at 440.
And the inquest is at 4:40, my lords.
Also mentions
And the original CD has also been given to them, my lords. It's a bit unfair to. And the original CD was handed over to the CBI in the High Court, my lords. As soon as the transfer order came, my lords. Yes, yes, yes. O'clock it after the postmortem.
only for a second. Just to remove this confusion, my lord, how this time comes.
Yeah, that's right. We've already shown documents before that. Well, the original CD will contain everything.
I think they have registered GDE. What is GDE?
General diary entry.
No, it was a procedural for the entry case. Under
Only yesterday, my lord. Just to create this, my lord.
Seen the case diary, we form the, we can form a view on
Yeah.
what the movement of the police officers was, who went, what time the body was first noticed, what time the body is brought, what time the inquest takes place,
Correct.
post-mortem, and then finally the FIR at 11:30 in the night.
No, even this UD case has 11 to 30. That's what I want to
no,
show.
no, no, that's not correct.
See the UD case. the
Can your
UD case,
lordships just see this?
577 is recorded at 10:10 in the morning.
Yes.
Can your lordships just have a look at it?
Yes. Yes.
Can your lordships
As
have a
well as
look
they
at
have this information in the CD, they have this
Mr.
information.
Sibal, please allow me
What,
now.
Mr. Sibal,
Please allow me.
allow me what? You should have shown the CD, given the CD.
Lord, I don't
The
need to
original
fight,
should have
my
been
lord. I
given
am,
in court.
In fact, this also matches with the FIR.
Lord,
FIR
there is a
says
confusion, my lord. Please allow me.
Received date 9th August 24, time 10:10 hours.
My lord, if your
Video
lordship
number
gives me 2 minutes, my lord.
Exactly.
My lord, I may be right, I may be wrong. Give me 2 minutes, my lord. Your lordships have, my lord, this 10:10. 10:10, my lord.
Yes, yes,
This is GDE called General Diary Entry.
right, at the
Correct.
police station.
At the first, yes, at the police station. Please, my lord, thereafter come to this, my lord. My lord, your lordship, I do not know the number of the compilation, but it is page 47 on the top.
Yes, 47 we got.
Correct?
This is the same.
Your lordship, please, Mr. Sibal,
Yes, continue.
there is
sir.
always a courtesy to
Yes,
each
yes,
other.
sir.
Lord,
Exercise.
this is 576, 2330. Correct, my lord? Now read this, my lord. In reference to Tala PS General Diary entry number 542 of date, return to PS with so and so, please ignore it and come to the next page. After return to PS under order of office something, an UD case has been registered with a Tala PS number so and so 861. So this UD case is registered, my lord. Earlier was GD entry. This is UD case at 2330 and at 2345 FIR is registered.
See page 40, it just shows, Malad.
That's, my lord, how the chronology we have, my lord, presented.
Muddy the waters. It's all muddy the waters. That's what you're doing.
Just see 42, just see 42.
42, my lord.
PD number 542, dated 10:10 a.m. Received information over the telephone from Hajikor Medical College Hospital Police Outpost that a lady of PG training of so-and-so was found.
So-and-so was found lying in unconscious
exactly.
state at so-and-so medicine department of third floor of emergency building in so-and-so, according to informed sector 92 OC, and under his order, Reading PS with lady police. So this is not general diary entry.
What is that?
What is?
That is what DD is. That's
Not
what it-
somebody has lost the
That's
line.
according to the
Don't
rules.
at least laugh.
One second. According
at
to
least
rules
laugh.
Maharaj, that we follow,
A girl has
these
lost her
regulations we've
line
done in accordance.
in a most inhuman
That's
and
not-
undignified manner.
Maharaj, these are the rules and we have followed to the T, the rules
Yes,
of the.
I will show that
of
what rules are.
unnatural death end.
My lord,
First,
the-
the Solicitor General, first the general diary entry is made. Thereafter, the police proceeds to the spot with the case diaries.
Correct.
Case, general diary is kept at the police station.
Which
Case
is-
diary is carried to the spot.
Yes.
Now, the relevant part would be
yes,
this part, which is a inquest report.
yes,
This shows that the information regarding unnatural death was received and registered as case number 861 on 9/8/2024 at 10:10 hours.
That's correct.
yes.
And this extract is the general diary which the police
Lord, we
complete
will
after
examine
the
this
day is
aspect
over.
and come back to you.
It carries various steps that have been carried out during the course of the day.
That's right.
So that
Lord,
is
and
what
I can assure my learned friend, this is not an attempt to muddy the water, to remove the mud
have
from the
already muddied
water,
it.
because we are dealing with a delicate situation. Somebody's dignity is
Oh, come
lost.
on, we all know that. We are all, it's a tragic incident, it's barbaric, and we are on the same side.
Your side was
But let's
laughing.
not muddy the waters on.
Really
this
unfortunate.
The only one point which we also see is that the UD, I'll read out the relevant part. This is at page 74. Accordingly, PO has been cordoned under proper guard. Also, several witnesses were examined and their statements were recorded. Consulted CCTV footages in and around the vicinity of the PO. After post-mortem and inquest, the dead body of the deceased has been handed over to her mother, so-and-so. After return to the police station, under order of officer in charge, so-and-so, and UD case has been registered by Tala PS UD case number 861, dated 9 August 2024. All concerned, including superiors, were informed. After return to the police station, the seized articles were kept in PS Malkhana by Malkhana number 52 in the presence of ASI and constable so-and-so. Now, and officer in charge was informed. So it appears that the initial report of an unnatural death was received and which was recorded in the GD at
Correct.
as
So
5:40.
not unnatural death,
Once.
unconscious body. The doctors are informing the police that there is an unconscious
Found
body.
lying in unconscious state. That is
Not
not
a you don't have to be a doctor to
That is-
know that it's not
that
unconscious
is
body, it's a
that is
dead
at
body.
10:10 a.m.
Yes.
GD 542.
This is from the outpost, Maharaj.
Right.
This
The
information is
unnatural
from the
death.
outpost.
The unnatural death is
Received from
recorded
this
by
outpost.
entry 861 after they return to the police station at night.
That is how we have
And
said.
11:30 in the night, the FIR is
Registered.
registered. In the meantime, the body has been handed over to the mother for the purpose of.
And that too, the father insists for
And-
registration of the
Yes,
FIR.
absolutely.
Hospital does not register the FIR. Father has insisted and registered the FIR.
Well, the father told us, you wait till I tell you, then
No,
only
no,
register. I will give a written complaint. That's what happened. At least tell us what's been happening in the investigation in trying to say that this happened at 11:45.
The family is here, Madam.
State has state.
Yes, appearing, my lord.
One clarification which we need.
Certainly, Maharaj.
If the report of the police indicates that after return to the police station, GD 861 was recorded. In the meantime, the dead body had been handed over to the mother for cremation.
Yeah.
If this does not square up with the fact that the inquest refers to GD 861. Inquest takes place. I have the inquest of the judicial magistrate.
Right,
Judicial magistrate says I conducted the inquest at 4:20 p.m. on the 9th of August.
correct.
That inquest report refers to GD 861.
Yes,
Now, if the police say that the GD 861 was recorded on return to the police station just before, obviously before the FIR is recorded
Yes,
that
yes.
night, how is it that an inquest at 4:20 refers to 861?
Lord,
This is
kindly-
just recorded.
Lord, I do not know how
Sorry,
it is
this is
done.
just recording.
It
This is
says
just
UT
recording.
1861.
Just
Not
an expression, Malaj, it's just recording.
It says UD
Ask
861.
the ACGM, Malaj, ask
Not-
the ACGM. He is there. Ask the ACGM, Malaj. Everything is on record. The memo says it's 61. Postmortem says it's 61. And Malaj, the real thing is the investigation. Why are we moving away? What has happened in the investigation?
Milord,
Do you have postmortem?
Milord, my friends may share the timelines with us.
Do you have the postmortem report? Yes, just pass it on.
I'm sorry, Malaj.
Postmortem.
Postmortem, yeah.
Lord, the state says father,
3, Malaj. Page
father
1-3.
did not permit registration of FIR. The father's counsel is there.
Page 1-3, Malaj, page 13
Can you read?
of the case diary.
So the state will wait for the father.
Page 13 of the case diary.
In this PM note, is there a reference of 861 somewhere? Top, top page?
At the top minutes,
Where?
first line minutes, reference
Yes,
to the
yes, okay.
Right on top.
Right on top.
Yes.
It's there. UD case number.
Appears then that at the time when the PMR was when the postmortem was conducted, UD 861 had already been there.
That's right. There's no doubt about it, Malaj.
The inquest
Malaj,
number is also
people are
there.
using some language, some expressions, Malaj. Bengali speaking people are, Malaj, using some expressions in English.
No, there is no Bengali.
But
Yeah,
The record will show.
So why does the IO then say that after I returned to the police station in the night, I recorded?
Because he has to record. Because he has to record what has happened all this while. That's the point.
He is recording minutes of the
Exactly.
meeting, my lord.
But the
Which-
investigation.
The point is, we are more concerned about the investigation, what has happened in the
Exactly,
last 1
that's
week. At
what
least
is
tell the
really
court that.
He's right. They were more concerned about the
Maybe inform the
investigation,
court.
which is emerging now.
Worship, the PMR talks about 151 mg of semen. It is never in mg.
No, it is
It
not.
is in ml.
It is the
It is in.
So please, come on. This is the
Let's not-
problem that.
we are in the very incipient
let-
stage, but don't confuse this.
Yeah.
Don't use social media to make arguments in the court.
I'm grateful, my lord, for that. I'm grateful.
We have specifically now
Yeah.
the PMR before us, and we know what that 151 refers to.
Yes.
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 Let's not use, what we read on
What's
social
happening.
media and then make legal arguments on that basis.
Malaj, I have very.
Not
Malaj, 1 second. Now, Malaj, your lordships asked me that you will give me a chance, Malaj, after this is over. I have a very serious issue at hand, Malaj, and I want to hand over an affidavit to you. Just please give it. And I'll hand over that affidavit also to the solicitor, but only to him. Malaj, just give it. Just go through this affidavit, please.
They're only giving.
Only to him.
Yes, I'll get it.
Well, just read through this, see what's going to happen. Para 5 onwards, page 2, Malaj. These are collateral events, Malaj, that are bound to happen.
This is again on social media, my lord, something on.
No, not social media. We've got the original.
My lord, state filing an affidavit based on social media.
Just let the court please read it. And page para 8 is also important.
Check. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Check.
Just reading it. No, Malad, this is.
There are
Hold on, hold on. Allow me.
Malad,
Allow me.
let's not go into it.
1 second. Malad, this is exceptionally serious because they've planned it for 27th. Now, Malad, if any protest is to be done, they must tell us which route. They
No,
must
well,
tell us what
tell us.
the-
You tell yourself.
Malad,
I mean,
normal
police will have to
procedure
come to
must
know
be
about
followed,
it.
must be followed. And Malad, what they do is they carry flags. Malad, they take off the flag, it becomes a stick. And there's an SOP, there is a standard operating procedure which has to be followed, Malad. Because what will happen, Malad, as your lordship sees, Malad, the whole purpose is now it's collateral events that are happening. It's unrelated to what Malad, the real issue is. And we've got photographs, Malad.
I
36
support
onwards,
Mr.
we have got
Sibal, no
photographs as to
vandalism
what
should be
really happened.
permitted by the
There's all this running away from the police, we have actually got photographs. This is all completely wrong. The status
Doctors
report
are
is given.
saying, Malad,
So
we are
I
not-
will want your lordships to go through that status report and pass an order that this can't be done, Malad, and there must be a standard operating procedure which has to be followed.
We'd like to see, we'll come back after lunch, we just want to see your status.
Yes, Malad.
Because
Right, I'm
My
deeply
lord,
obliged.
lord,
Right
may I
now.
just
Deeply obliged.
say,
Come back and see yours, because we've
Lord-
examined CBI status.
Yes, now your
We
lordship
start
make
to
that.
examine.
my lord,
time.
may I just say to my friends, CISF is still not there.
No, of course,
No, it's not there. I've got photographs of today morning. I have
So
photographs.
just take instructions and
Malad,
CBI
I
arrived at
received
this
an
point.
intimation in writing that they have gone, they have visited in, along with the Kolkata police and to decide where to post whom. Lord, one thing is to be decided. Kolkata police says that the security should be in the hospital, but we feel that it should be more in the hostel because
Mr. Subal,
Yeah, no problem,
we might be just late by 10 minutes or so.
No problem.
Look at
No.
15, so you all of you
Deeply
also
obliged. Deeply obliged.
Grateful.
So, sir, we come back at you.
right.
Original case diary, Malad, sir.